Hello, welcome to my channel. Well, it's already September, so I'm gonna get ready to do a tune-up, change oil on the snow blower. I'm at my brother's house right now. He's out of town, so he asked me to change his oil for him to get the snow blower ready. So he has a Toro Power Clear 721E21 212cc OHV4 cycle engine, electric start. So he got a Toro snow blower, and so I'm just getting ready for winter. He's out of town, so gonna do a oil change for him. And so this is the thing you need to do an oil change on this one. See, the drain plug is right there, and I checked the oil already, pretty dirty. As you can see, the dipstick right here. So it's pretty dirty. Look at how dirty it is. And yeah, it's a good idea to put a cardboard on the bottom. You see, you don't want I'm doing in the garage, so you don't want any oil drip on your garage floor right there. And okay, this thing you need is a socket wrench right here. That's a 10 millimeter, something to catch the oil. So I use aluminum tray. You can use anything to catch the oil. A funnel. You don't want your hands to get dirty. A pair of gloves. Paper towel. Something to put the old oil in. So any container to put the old oil in, and then recycle it. And then you need a SAE5W30. So for this engine, I need about 0.6 liter of 0.6 liter oil. So let's begin. Okay, before you begin, may just to loosen up the oil a little bit. So start the snow blower for about 3 minutes. So that's the first thing. Just you want to loosen up the oil a little bit before you loosen up the drain plug. So that's the first thing you need to do. Just start up the engine a little bit, loosen up the oil before you loosen up the drain plug. So the drain plug is right there. All right, 10 millimeter socket, socket wrench. So just loosen it up. Okay. Alright, let's look at how dirty the oil is. Ridiculous. So let it drain completely. So it's very dirty. Alright. You can tip the tip the handle a little bit, let the oil, yeah, you can tip a little bit, pull the handle down. So let the oil drain completely. Okay, tip the handle down, pull the handle down like this. Alright, no more dripping. Okay. Look at how dirty the oil is. Very dirty. Alright. Use a paper towel to kind of clean around the drain a little, the drain place right a little bit, so that there's no oil, no dirt around it. Alright. See, when you take out the drain plugs, make sure this washer right here, this washer is pretty much stuck to the plug, so it doesn't come up. But if it come loose, make sure that you have that washer right here. If you don't have this washer, it's gonna, when you put it back, it's gonna start leaking. So this washer gets stuck into it, to the plug already. Let's put it back in. Tighten it up. That's good. All right. It's only take about 0.6 liter oil. So as you can see, this thing right here, it got a measurement right here. It's got the liter and quart. So see right there. So basically need about a little bit over half a liter oil, so not too much, not overfill it. I use a dipstick, make sure that here's the dipstick. Let's see. Yeah, I think I have enough oil. Yep, have enough oil. That's it. See, that's why you need a pair of gloves right here. So you're gonna breathe, getting right. Use a paper towel to clean everything off and check, make sure nothing is leaking. And okay, let's start it up. Let's see, we'll start. Alright, it's good, it starts, and make sure check for the leaks. There's no leak anywhere. Yep, there's no leaks. That's good. And so make sure you have a container where you can recycle the old oil. So it's here. It's good. I have a milk bottle right here. Don't throw it in the trash. Make sure you recycle. Take it to an auto place so you can recycle this. So this is how so you see, it's easy to do. It shouldn't take long at all, maybe 10-15 minutes. So you should do this every year, change oil on your snow blower. So it starts when winter comes. Right now it's September 17. So do ahead of time, because it's easier to do an oil change when it's hot like this. Right now it's 80 degrees. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. So that's the first thing you need to do. Just start up the engine a little bit, loosen up the oil before you loosen up the drain plug.